Most people do not have adequate food because unlike eat junk food which accumulates fat in our abdomen. This drink combines parsley and cucumber has many diuretic and slimming, and so this drink is not only will eliminate abdominal fat also will help strengthen your immune system, boost your metabolism and cleanse your entire body of toxins that cause damage to your health. Ingredients: 1/3 cup water, 1 piece of ginger root, a cucumber, a bunch of parsley, half lemon. Preparation: wash the cucumber, parsley and ginger, as they will be eaten raw. Grate the parsley until you have at least a teaspoon and preserved for later use. Cut the cucumber into slices. Put all ingredients in a blender and process until all ingredients are perfectly blended. You must have a frothy but is very light. If you wish you can sweeten with honey or stevia. How should I take this drink? Take this drink before bed. You feel more energetic and you will notice how your belly fat will fade considerably within a few weeks. You may also be interested in water avena to detoxify and burn belly fat. For best results you must combine it with a healthy diet and an exercise routine.